Welcome to AICADGIS. Today, we will explore the Line and Polyline Offset tool. Hover over the tool to reveal the submenu, then click Offset. Your drawing style and offset dialogues will appear. Next, enter your offset values into the fields. To create multiple parallel lines simultaneously, simply separate each value with a comma. You can find a helpful explanation of how this formatting works right at the bottom of the dialog box. Positive and negative values control the direction. Add a minus to offset left. Now, let's add elevation by entering the z-value shifts. The first z-value you enter applies directly to your first offset distance. If you input fewer z-values than xy offsets, the tool will automatically repeat your final z-value for the remaining lines. To shift the elevation downwards, simply add a minus sign before the number. Before clicking Apply, toggle the Z-value label button in the Drawing Style dialog. Now, draw your baseline. The software instantly generates the entire line group, complete with Z-value labels visible directly on the canvas. Click your next point. Right-click once to end the session, and right-click again to exit. Let's switch to the 3D view. Now you can clearly visualize the spatial elevation differences between the parallel lines we just created. Let's reopen the Offset dialog. Keep in mind, this powerful tool works exactly the same way if you are drawing polylines, too. We'll enter a longer sequence of horizontal offsets, but only provide a few z-values. Notice how our final z-value is set to 0.23. Click Apply and draw your new baseline. As you can see, that final 0.23 elevation automatically repeated for all the remaining lines. Let's reopen the dialog to use the array function. By typing your values inside brackets, you can automate line generation. Just enter your starting distance, the spacing increment, and the total count. You can always reference this syntax at the bottom of the window. Begin the array by typing an open bracket followed by your starting distance. If you need a reminder on the formatting, the description at the bottom explains the exact order. Now, add a comma and enter your spacing increment to define the exact distance between each parallel line. After that, type one final comma, followed by the total count of lines you want the tool to generate for you. Once your array is completely filled out, simply close the bracket, click the Apply button, and select your starting point on the canvas. Now, click to draw your baseline and generate the array. Let's zoom in and check the z-values. You can clearly see they follow our exact input order, with that final elevation repeating for the rest. Take a look at the entire group. We've successfully created exactly 9 parallel lines, just as specified in our setup. Because our canvas click was at Z0, these inputs became the final elevations. Snapping to an object shifts directly from its existing z-value. To verify our array, let's select the Measurement tool. By checking the distance between these two consecutive lines, we can confirm it perfectly matches the increment value we just set. That covers the Line Offset tool. Try it out in your free AICADGIS workspace. Thanks for watching.